Hello, welcome to this class where we are proceeding with a virtual manager. This is the Qemu. So in the previous video I show you an installation using the ISO, but we were having problems in trying to control the network card. So in digging and searching, I think there is a solution for that. So let's visit to look at that solution, what it looks like. So to start, you start in the command line. So that's for virtual manager. And we put our password. So this password allows us to have extra privileges like root. There we go. So just type the name of the program we want, and we got that. So then it launches the manager, virtual machine manager. So this virtual machine manager, at this time the computer is switched off, so we need to restart it. Whilst in VirtualBox, you have to do this whilst it's shut down. So here I will do start. So it's start running. So for us to see it, we just need to double click here. There we are. We'll minimize the manager, and we see we have got the Parrot operating system. This is a security operating system open. So here I'll type in the password for this user. So we are in the operating system. So the way you could manage the peripherals on the fly with this virtual machine, you click this button which looks for information, and we see we have got all the peripherals pertaining to the Parrot. So here you have got the network card, and if you click here and choose the host, so this is the host Wi-Fi card. If you click that, you can choose bridge and the list of the other options. So bridge will take the IP address of the host or will talk to the dhcp, whilst NAT, it will have its own private IP, and you're well hidden here because you're not direct accessing the IP of the host machine. I'm not sure of the other ones here. Like if we do private, it will just be a private. Maybe we can create a different IP, but it doesn't look that way because we still get the error here. So we'll just leave it in the NAT by clicking here. So we'll just choose NAT, and that's all we do. So here the state is activated. We go down here and we just do apply. Then we go back to this window. We see we are in the Parrot desktop. So here we can now start doing other things. So the first thing here is you need to do is update. So let's see if it is because we haven't put sudo, but it looks that either the process is locked and we have to remove it. So let's see what is the problem here. Yeah, then here we'll do sudo so here I'm upgrading all the repository, all the packages here by using the program apt. So I've put tag y here so that I don't each and every time to say yes, yes, yes. So it will do automatically there. So here it wants us to do yes. So here, as you can see, the bottom here is all updated because I did update first time I installed this. So here we'll just clean the screen. Now in this course we want to explore more of Python in the exploit side. So let's see what Python language and how we are going to learn it. So to do that, we'll just type here Python. So the Python which is by default is 3.9.2, but you can also use Python 2. So to exit here, we'll do exit and do open and close brackets, then enter. Then we are out of the command prompt where we have these three chevron to tell us that we are at the command prompt. So the first libraries we are going to install in here is pandas. So we are going to do sudo. So this time I'm going to do sudo with tag, so that I'm moving from a normal user to the root user. So there you can see now I'm the root user where we can install a lot. So we want to do pip install pandas. So there we go. Why is installing without problem is most of the time is the update and upgrade we just did. So we could use so it says it is successfully installed, but let's check to make sure we could use it. So I'll clear the screen here, then I'll do Python, then here we are going to say import pandas, then we do enter. Then we see now that when we did enter we don't get any error. That means the library we just imported here is ready for us to interact with. So with that, let's do exit. Before we do exit, just to show you some of the other things you can be able to do with Python. So if I do 2 times 40, you get the answer there. So the Python prompt, this one gives you that environment to do maths, to do different things. We can talk to other modules so that they can perform different tasks. So with that introduction, I hope this has been informative for you. I'll see you in the next video.